private driver chúng là dọn mình cái gì
cái chỗ hỏi cái chỗ bằng nhiều RT-PCR positive driver yang hỏi
thì mình này cái là random test
dia siang bang
random
empat dia ada bentar
negatif
ngamla mana negatif kamu ngempat dia report mengilai RT-PCR
kamu juga ada positif
positif
banyak klinis ya
private driver
salam ya boleh sebut thank you kalau visa full ikut arah jawaban gumut platform meneru teman all positive mau pencennya mau ngan saya itu mau kajongi ke bangile ikut test ni haban pet ikut behavior jong virus tentang ngale if mentah filong positif lah saya ngale yang filong negatif haban wan balik filong negatif either your resistance is very good or maybe there is a fault in taking of the sample or upper emission sample film dan show virus that is why kata kajingle jongi test we kasilong tam impact ni long concern nem ladang tu beri udan hang tu pedang la nem spread situation long infectious nem gi ju itang na kada.
So this is not the first time doctor from Nazareth initially was tested positive but PCR again by Sibina was tested negative. Any study has been done when you say that you are looking at the behavior of the virus?
Yes. I think this virus is a new virus. I have already told you how it's behaving, how it's mutating, and we have to record all this. We are documenting all this. So maybe when we do the study later on, then we will have to find out why it is like this. Whether the person is really positive or is false positive or false negative, that will come later. But as of now, you have tested positive, you remain positive. And one more thing, I have told so many times, we have treat yourself as positive, the other person also is positive, then you will know how to protect, the other person also will know how to protect. Ngin lang positive mentah, hado ngin test mo. Kaya ikaw mag-advocate, ngin test sila dia tang ladang idan symptoms. Ladang idan symptoms, treat yourself as positive. And when you know that you are positive, then you have to take care. Take care that you do not spread. Take yourself as positive and take care that you do not spread. Take yourself as asymptomatic. Can you be positive, feel asymptomatic? Tang lang ta fila man sutu, ba kumno ngala ban yadai na din. Hado ka dapoi ka por ka bangila ban yo dawai bala ban penyam lani ka vaccine ka ban yadai ni dunia.
If RT-PCR is considered as a golden test, then how will the now the efficiency of the rapid antigen test in a question?
No. It is like this. Rapid antigen test is very clear in our protocol. If you are positive, means you are positive. If you are negative, maybe we can do RT-PCR to find out whether it is positive or negative. No. Virologist means you have to have a full-fledged lab for virology. Here we don't have any full-fledged lab for virology as of now. So even if we have a virologist now, we have got one who has retired. Okay, so far. She's a lady. She has retired as DHS MI also. She's the only virologist that I know so far now here for medical side, But if you say that we have virologists, means you have to study that virus. If you study that virus, means you have to have a full-fledged lab. We don't have that full-fledged lab as of now. What we need now is we need health workers who are dedicated, health workers who will work, who will sacrifice, who are working now tirelessly, although exhausted, but they are still pushing on themselves. So take that into consideration, that most of them are exhausted, but they are still pushing themselves for the betterment of all the citizens of the state.